Earnings season continues to roll on. This is a shortened week, but we're still getting a couple hundred companies reporting. I took a look to see who are the hottest names this week, and I put them all together in this one video. So let's take a look and see where you should be watching this week. All right, Domino's Pizza. You knew I was going to have it when they were reporting, and here it is. They are the king of the restaurants still. I don't care that Chipotle's made a comeback. This is still the one to beat. Now, they've been doing really high comps over the last couple of years. It's going to be hard to keep those comps still coming down the pike. That means they're going to quote unquote normalize back into the single digits. And we'll see what happens to the stock when that happens. But they got this great earnings track record. As you can see, the last miss was back in 2016. And so we'll see if we can get another breakout in these shares off of this number. Then switching to the Chinese companies, Baidu has a great track record. It hasn't missed since our data began in 2015. I say this every quarter, and it has some big beats in there, as you can see with those long green arrows. But these shares really took a dive there at the end of 2018 when everything took a dive, especially the Chinese stocks. They're up a little bit off of those lows, but not a lot. So this could be an opportunity here, but we'll see what they say. Then switching to Exact Sciences. Now, you might not be as familiar with this one, but they make the colonoscopy test that you can send in through the mail. And revenue has been up big over the last couple of years, and then they've had this great track record of beating. Their last miss was all the way back in 2015. And you can see that these shares have really rebounded off of those 2018 lows. So back to new 5-year highs here. Can this report continue on with this momentum? This is one you're going to want to watch on the biotech side. And then switching over to Dropbox. I brought this one because it's only reported these 3 times and they were really big beats. But those shares, like everything, took a dive there at the end of 2018. They're back up off those lows, but could this be a buying opportunity here with Dropbox? We're going to find out. And then finally, we're going to wrap it up on the week on Friday with Wayfarer. Now, I bring this every time, not because they have a good track record, because they really don't. They've missed the last 5 quarters. But nobody seemed to care back in 2018 until the big sell-off kind of happened. But they've rebounded again. Will anyone care again whether or not they miss or beat, or whether or not they're actually going to make any money anytime soon? I don't know. But this is definitely one to watch on the online retail side. So as you can see, all these companies are in a big host of different industries, and that's what we're getting this week as we get a lot of the smaller cap and mid cap companies reporting. We've only had about 40 to 45% of those small caps report in, so still a long way to go in this earnings season, and we're going to get the retail group coming forward in the next couple of weeks. And you know that's always an interesting area. So you're going to want to be sure to tune in. Don't miss a single episode of any of these videos, as I'm going to keep covering everything right up until the end of earnings season. So you can get all of our videos on Zacks.com, and you can also get it on Zacks.com/YouTube. Can go right straight to our YouTube channel of Zacks.com/YouTube. But either way, be sure to tune in.